Imagine having a couple of books on Amazon KDP that earn you money every day while you are busy with other daily activities. There is this joy in knowing that money will hit your account at the end of the month without having to lift a finger every day. What if I told you that greater percentage of all these books you're seeing right now were published by ordinary self-publishers like you with no prior writing experience, and they're making hundreds and thousands of dollars every month? It may sound too good to be true, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to make passive income by publishing profitable niches on Amazon KDP. If you don't have writing experience, no problem. Just stick around to the end of the video. I will walk you through everything you need to know to start earning today. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Stacy, and on this channel, I talk about different ways to make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. If you love this type of content, don't forget to hit the subscription button and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive into the video. Now, if you're a beginner with zero experience about writing, I would suggest you focus more on low content niches because this will help you to get started. If you don't have prior experience, it's best you start creating low content niches to publish on Amazon, because creating low content niches is very easy. Anyone can do it. Now, there are different types of low content niches. There are journals, planners, logbooks, notebooks, game books, guest books, coloring book, diaries, a lot of them. So you can just focus on any one you can do comfortably, and you start creating that particular niche. The first thing to do is to search for a profitable low content niche. Then if you decide to choose either journals, planner, or notebook or coloring book, you need to search for a particular title that you want to create. You ensure that that title is profitable, has low competition, and also high in demand. I'm going to show you how you can do that in this video. For the particular niche we are talking about today, inspirational quote coloring books for kids. This particular niche is very profitable, low in competition, and high in demand. To ensure that this niche is profitable, I'm going to base my analysis on three key factors. The three factors I'll be basing my analysis on: search result, niche score, and bestseller rank. Now, I'll be searching for niche search results of 1,000 or less, 1,000 and below. It would tell me that there is less competition on this particular niche. Then I also search for niche score of 50 and above. If this niche gives me niche score of 50 and above, I will know that it is profitable and that people are searching for it. Then bestseller rank, I'll be searching for bestseller rank using 3 different books on the first page of Kindle store that will give me bestseller rank of 300,000 or less. It will tell me there is demand for this book, that people are not just publishing, people are also making sales. Then I will be analyzing this niche, the profitability of this niche, using Titan Quick View. Now, on this Titan Quick View, I'll just search for inspirational quotes coloring book for kids. Then I'll begin to analyze it to show you that this niche is very profitable. You can actually do this using any niche of your choice to analyze a particular niche before you write and publish it, because it's not good enough to write and publish. The main thing is, are you recording sales? It's of no use to publish a book that no one is buying, no one is searching, and you're not making money out of it. Now, this analyzing with 3 factors I have mentioned earlier. Search results. Now, this niche is giving me search result of 603. This has already told me that people are writing on this book, but the competition is very minimal. Like I said, if it gives me a search result of 1,000 and above, I will know that the competition is too much, that many people have written on it. So the search result is relatively low. So it has satisfied that first factor. Then the second factor is niche score of 55, which is giving me 55. Now, I said earlier that niche score of 50 and above will mean that this niche is very profitable. Now I'm having a score of 55, which is good. The next thing to confirm the profitability of this book is to search for bestseller rank using 3 different titles on the first page of Kindle store. That will tell me if the 3 of them gives me any bestseller rank of 300 and below, I will know that there is demand for this particular niche. So I'll be searching for this, and I'll be searching for the ones that are independently published by just ordinary publishers, just like you. This is independently published, giving bestseller rank of 48,611, which is good. This is also independently published, giving 138,513 bestseller rank, which is good as well. So it has already satisfied the 3 different factors I want to use to analyze this niche. So you can see that this niche is very profitable. There is demand for it, and there is low competition. So if you write on this niche, you're likely going to be recording sales. And to show you that people are actually making money from this book, I'm going to be using the bestseller rank to determine how much each of them is making. Like this one is independently published. It has 108 pages and the bestseller rank of 11,688. I can see the reviews up to 419 reviews. That is to show you that this book is actually selling. And the title is Positive Quote, an inspirational coloring book for both adult, teen, and kids with positive affirmations. So checking the estimated daily profit and monthly profit, the price is $9, so 11,688. So go to KDP bestseller rank calculator. We impute the bestseller rank of 11,688. So you can see that this person makes approximately $84 per day and above 2,500 every month. And for estimated book sale is 22 per day, 660 per month. You can see that this person is recording sales every single day, which is very, very, very encouraging. So we're checking for another one. So this is independently published. The bestseller rank is 6,812. So let's see how much this person is making every month. So now this person is making approximately $130 per day, 3,927 per month. So you can see that this person is recording sales and is a self-publisher, an ordinary publisher. So you can see that this particular niche is very profitable and it is not saturated yet. I'll be checking the third one, which is 48,611. Let's see how much this person is making. And this person is making up to 693 every month, which is not too bad. So you can see that this person is also recording sales. So this is a very profitable niche you can actually publish. Let's check the interior of one of them. See that this thing is very easy to make. Anyone with zero experience of writing can make. So you can see this is just one of image generated with letters inside, inspirational quotes inside this. Very easy. You can generate this using Canva. I can create this using Canva. Very bold and simple. This is very simple to create. If you want to know how to generate and create this type of coloring book, I will leave a link in my description. Click on that link. It will take you to a video I've already made on how to make a coloring book. Very simple step-by-step tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. That will be all for this particular niche. Till I see you again in my next video. Bye.